Monir here. So today I'll show you how we can create this type of mega menu and this conditional menu with breakdance and with also destiny elements. So we must need destiny elements plugin for this type of canvas menu. So if anyone click here, it will pop up this type of menu, external menu for yeah this kind of menu. So you can add whatever you want here. So if you want something, anything you want, you can just drag here and it will be work perfectly, and it will be responsive also, so don't worry. And here is our mega menu. Here is our mega menu. You can see here I put it the columns. So on mega menu you can insert your whatever you want. So if you want something like this, then you can contact me on my email, or I will put this design into my our website on BD Kids. On our this website you will get all the design. This is completely free, so don't worry. And yeah, and yes, so let me show you how we can create a conditional login page or kind of things with breakdance. So here is a icon, and if I create this as a user, let's show this as a user. So this is the user author. Okay, this is the author name, and here will be author name, and this will be also on the first name, and then here will be name. Yeah, and this should be show only when user is logged in. And for the login user, you need to come here advanced tab and click on edit condition. Under edit condition you will get your user logged in status, and click yes. And when user is logged in, then he will see this area only. So, and for this one, yeah, I'm sorry, for this one it will only show when user is logged out. So if I go again in advanced tab, or for the button, this button, and edit condition, click on edit condition, and then user logged in status is logged out. Yeah, that's enough. And if I go, oh sorry, let me change the icon color, icon to user. I think this is fine. And if I check now, you can see here is our, oh, let me delete this one. Yeah, if I reload now again, it should be fine. So you can see here. And yeah, and if you don't want this as a link, you can just yeah, change the delete the link, and yeah, that will be work. So yeah, that's how you can create the conditional login, conditional header with the breakdance page builder. And this is the off canvas menu. This is the off canvas menu for let me show you this one. So this is the off canvas menu uh, with destiny elements. So what you need to do, just drag and drop the off canvas menu, and under the off canvas menu whatever you can just put it here. And if you want to say set this icon, when user you will click here, it will be uh, disappear. So you just need to add this class, the .de, this one, just copy this and put this on this icon. This is the cross icon. Go to advanced, and here you just need to set this class. That's enough. And again, for the opener, when user click on this icon, it will be open. So for that you need to set this class. So that's enough. Yeah, I hope I explained correctly. And yeah, and if you need this kind of a website using breakdance builder and destiny elements, you can text me or email me. And yes, thank you so much.